Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Sugar. First, log into your SugarCRM account as an administrator. Navigate to the admin panel from the main dashboard. Locate the OAuth keys section within the admin menu. Click on Create to generate a new OAuth key. Fill in the required fields, including a unique name and a callback URL. Make sure to set the status to active. Click Save to generate your credentials. Take note of the client ID and client secret. Next, navigate to the identity provider's settings for your single sign-on configuration. Add a new application for SugarCRM using the client ID and client secret you just created. Enter the redirect URI from your SugarCRM OAuth settings. Configure other necessary parameters specific to your identity provider. Once you have saved the configuration, head back to your SugarCRM instance. Go to Admin again and find the SSO section. Enable single sign-on functionality for your SugarCRM environment. Enter the client ID and client secret in the respective fields. Fill out additional settings as required by your organization's SSO system. You should also ensure that the SSO URL is correctly formatted and points to the identity provider. After entering all required information, click Save. To test the integration, log out of your SugarCRM account. Now, try to log in using the SSO method. If configured correctly, you should be redirected to your identity provider for authentication. Once authenticated, you will be redirected back to SugarCRM. Check that your user account is properly populated with the necessary SugarCRM permissions. Monitor the system for any login issues over the next few days to ensure everything is functioning smoothly. If you encounter any problems, consult the SugarCRM support documentation for troubleshooting tips. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.